So here's a crash course on solving one-step equations. Now here is our first one-step equation, x minus 9 equals to 14. So in a one-step equation, your main goal is to isolate x, okay? So to do this, you have minus 9 here. So if you just do plus 9 to both sides, you are already isolating x on this side because minus 9 plus 9 equals to 0. So you cut these out, and then there's x. Then you just simply add 14 and 9, which is 23. Now you want to check this. How is x really equal to 23? So to do this, just substitute 23 for x. So you could do check, make a checkbox, and then write 23 minus 9 equal question mark 14. The question mark is to see if it's actually equal to 14. Now 23 minus 9 is 14. So 14 is 14 equal to 14? It is, so that's why x value is correct. X is equal to 23. Now, here's another question. G plus 5 equal to 33. Now, we want to isolate G here. So you would simply do minus 5 minus 5. Just do the opposite of the operation here. Now, here plus 5 and minus 5 is 0. So cut those out. And then you have G isolated. Now, 33 minus 5 is 28. Now, let's check this. Now, substitute 28 for G. So you have 28 plus 5 equal to 33. Put the question mark. Okay, now 28 plus 5 is 33. So is 33 equal to 33? It is. So that's why G is equal to 28. Now here's another a bit more different type of question. You have 4a equal to 48. Here, 4 and a are multiplied. So you have this, it's basically 4 times a equal to 48. Now you want to isolate a. So simply divide by 4. Just do the opposite of the operation. Now 4 divided by 4 is 1, and you cut these out. So technically you have 1 times a, which is 1 times a equal to 48 divided by 4. And 1 times a could be simplified to a, and 48 divided by 4 is 12. Now, our last question is a division question. So you have k over 5 equal to 7 over 5. You want to isolate k, so you would simply multiply 5 to both sides. So 7 over 5 times 5. Because technically, you have 5 over 1 times 1 over 5 times k, which 5 over 1 times 1 over 5 is 1. So you simply cross those out, and you have k isolated equal to. Now same thing here. You could you could get 7 because 5 over 1 times 1 over 5 is 1. You cross those out and you have 7. K is equal to 7. Thank you.